Changing world order and dynamic Indo-Pacific equations in the post-COVID world have made countries rethink their diplomatic and defense strategies. Amid China muscle flexing, Australia's decisive recognition of strategic reality in the Indo-Pacific was made clear to the world the day it signed the AUKUS Security Pact, strengthening its naval presence in the region with nuclear propulsion submarines. Here's why India must rethink its naval posture and further strengthen the Indian Navy by powering its submarine fleet with more nuclear-propelled submarines. In the wake of belligerent Chinese Navy and China's expansionist moves, Indian Navy must empower its submarine fleet with nuclear submarines. With China's assertiveness in South China Sea spilling over to the Indian Ocean, India's strong presence in the region is a must for regional peace, open trade and security. As compared to diesel submarines, nuclear-propelled submarines can stay underwater for longer durations, make less noise, better evade enemy detection due to their silent propulsion. This upgrade in naval capacities will embolden India's presence in the region. Some reports suggest that Pakistan is acquiring a Chinese nuclear attack submarine. This will impact the Indian coastline. With China on the east of the Indian peninsula and Pakistan in the west in Arabian Sea, both with nuclear submarines, India must understand the deterrence of the nuclear platform and commission more modern-day nuclear submarines. India presently in service has one nuclear-powered submarine and 15 diesel-electric submarines. Under construction are 3 nuclear submarines and 3 diesel-electric submarines. India has also planned 10 nuclear submarines along with 6 diesel-electric submarines. India's nuclear submarines are Arihant-class ballistic missile submarines. These are classified as Strategic Strike Nuclear Submarines or SSNs. With INS Arihant's commissioning in 2016, India got the distinction of being the first country to build ballistic missile submarine other than the 5 permanent members of the United Nations Security Council. INS Arighat or S3 is under trials and is likely to be commissioned in August 2022. S4 and S4 Star are under construction. The 10 nuclear submarines under planning include 3 S5 class submarines, 6 Project 75 Alpha attack submarines, and 1 Akula class attack submarine.